Beautiful day, sunny. We're located in the valley where it's a little chilly. Smoke Lake is kind of shaped like a horseshoe, and you're literally just surrounded by mountains. There's nobody else swimming except for me. We're at a DOC campsite, so you could camp here for 15 bucks a night. They got a trail that goes around the entire lake called the Smoke Lake Trail. Should take you about 2 hours to do. Yeah, all that for 15 bucks. Running water, long drop toilets. Can't beat this place. About 30 minutes from Queenstown for this.
Yeah, I don't think I could go more than this. It's not that hot outside.
The water is cold, but Ling's gonna dunk herself.
Ready? This is why the sun is so hot in New Zealand. The water's frigid.
I didn't fart. That was from my trunks, I swear. Okay, I'm done. It's dinner time. It's time to cook some din din. The only problem is that we thought that we had tomatoes, chopped tomatoes in a can, and I got bit like maybe 3 or 4 times. So bring the deet. Bring the deet. But the thing is, the sand flies here, they're little tiny little flies. They're just like fruit flies, little fleas. They look unassuming, and then you just feel something on your arm, so you slap, and then it's like, oh, I just killed a fly, but then you got a bite. Being next to a lake and all this shrubbery, it's a good combination to get to attract some sandflies. Anyways, it's dinner time. Given what we got, we are gonna go with tuna and Hokkien noodles. Udon, sorry. We got udon noodles and tuna, and then we're gonna season it with soy sauce, sesame oil, and to add a little sugar, we still got some arataki honey flora.
Arataki honey. Flora. Who's Flora?
We don't have oil, eh? Oil of ole.
That's the problem. Our stuff is kind of divided.
Drop the
Do we even have our spatula?
I don't know.
Yeah, we do. I see them now.
This was the tuna in olive oil.
That would have been
Would have
perfect.
been perfect. Bit of water.
Some garlic powder. This is how much garlic powder we own.
That's not ubi jam. Do not get that confused. And we drop our udon in the pan.
Oh, these are Korean.
Pizza sauce that Ling made. Gonna throw that on there. Okay, good. There's some oil in there.
No, not all of it. Yeah, just that.
Soy sauce.
Oh, you know what we could have just used? We could have just used sesame oil as the oil.
Sesame oil is also oil. Pro tip 101.
Getting all these phantom itches everywhere.
So we don't have cooking oil, we don't have butter, but we got sesame oil, and that will work. More soy sauce in.
All right.
As Gordon Ramsay says.
There's no veg. Oh, the tomato paste, but is that really?
Tomatoes are fruit.
Doesn't count.
Tomatoes are fruit.
It is.
This is the little spice jar. We do have chili flakes for that heat. It's tuna udon with a hint of tomato paste, sesame oil, soy sauce, and honey. What should we call this? Tudon? Toondon? Tuna udon?
You didn't actually put any honey in. How much do you usually put?
Maybe like a tablespoon?
Oh, it's like this.
Yeah. Mmm.
Better?
Mm-hmm. It just needed more of everything. Salt, sugar, and spice. Chili flakes, soy sauce, and honey. Not bad. So there you have it. That's din din. Teriyaki. Tuna. We're getting eaten alive by sandflies. This is camping at the lake. So got some leftover Sauvignon Blanc. Shitty year. Even shittier wine. No, I'm just joking. It's not bad. Zip that tent flap closed.
Use the light.
Make sure that none of those sandflies got in.
Have some wine.
All it takes is one.
And then Ling ends up getting bitten on the eye and turning into Quasimodo.
Quasimodo.
Warm Sauv Blanc straight out the bottle. That's how you're meant to drink it.
Sandflies are everywhere.
Oh, look, those people, they're putting on DEET also.
And we're right by the lake, so maybe they're smart setting up their tents over there. But anyways, that is Moke Lake. And we're just gonna settle down now, have some din din, drink this 2020 Sauvignon Blanc. Shitty year, even shittier wine. I'm just kidding. This is actually pretty decent wine. Considering we got it at the Pack and Save for $9, $10? $10. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.